In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a Skillshare certificate. First of all, log into your Skillshare account. Once you are here, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. A menu will appear. Click on View Profile. Once you are inside your profile, click on the Achievements section. Here, you will be able to see all of your certificates. Click on View on any of these certificates. Now, Skillshare does not provide a direct option to download the certificate to your device. If you right-click on the certificate and click on Save As, you will notice that there is no option to save it as an image or a PDF. One simple way to save it is by taking a screenshot. However, sometimes screenshots can be slightly blurry. Instead, follow these steps to properly download it. First, right-click on your certificate and then click on Print. In the Destination section, switch from your printer to Save as PDF. This will allow you to save the web page as a PDF file on your PC. Once you have done that, simply click on Save and select a location on your device. Now, if you need the certificate as an image instead of a PDF, open any online tool that converts PDF to JPG. For example, you can use a website like Small PDF. Open the website, click on Tools, and then select PDF to JPG. Choose the file you just saved and convert it. Once the conversion is done, download the zip file. After downloading, go to the folder where your zip file is saved. Right-click on it and then click on Extract here. Now, open the first extracted image and you will see the certificate. Crop it to remove extra space, click on Edit, adjust the corners, and then click on Save. If you also want a PDF copy of the cropped image, go back to the Small PDF website, click on JPG to PDF, upload your image file, and then download the converted file. And this is how you can download a Skillshare certificate in both PDF and image format.